right, welcome to Performance Unlimited. What you see here on our test stand is a 408 Windsor Stroker with dual quads. We've got about 1,000 CFM of carburetors. We're running spacer plates on this. Customer liked to kick them out of the hood a little bit, so we had to change some jetting to make sure we get the proper fuel ratios, which we'll show you on our air-fuel ratio meters on our board. This board had to be painted red with the Permastar intake and carburetors with the March Serpentine kit. Again, here at Performance Unlimited, we custom build each engine to suit your needs. Again, you just choose an appropriate horsepower and package. Call one of our salesmen, Steve, and he'll be happy to set you up. I'd like to fire this up and give you a run demonstration. Here you can see our passenger side, what we're running at idle. We like to keep it a little leaner so you're not, a lot of guys do motors are puffing smoke. We don't want that type of thing. We run them leaner when we're at idle. Richard through the power band to make sure we have appropriate fuel. Okay, again, here at Performance Unlimited, we custom build to suit your needs. Anything we can help you with? 1-800-267-3940. We thank you for logging on, and I'll show you one more time. Over here, you can have your cake and eat it too. Performance without all the bogging down. Again, a fine-tuned engine runs fantastic.